Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make videos about DIYs, home decor and lifestyle improvement. And if you like watching such videos, then please do subscribe to our channel and help us grow. So in today's video, we are going to do a quick home decor haul video. So I'll be sharing some furnishings, some unique kitchen decor items, some general home decor item, and these are some very trending and unique items which I have found from different sites. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and probably this is my last video in this home. And I'm feeling quite nostalgic. I started my YouTube journey from this rental home, and now I'm moving into my own home, and this has been an amazing journey. Thank you so much for supporting me for the all 2 years, and I will keep looking for your support in the new home as well. I am very excited to share all the details with you, and let's start the video. Okay, so let's start with furnishing. I have got a few bed covers and bed sheets. Some of them are for my daughter's bed, and I think one or two are gifts for my mother-in-law. So I'm going to show you quickly. First of all, I've got this beautiful polka dot bed sheet. This is for my daughter's bed. She likes pink color a lot, so we have got this beautiful pink colored bed sheet, and this comes with 2 pillow covers. These are standard sized pillow covers. This lovely bed sheet costed me rupees 499, but you can purchase it at rupees 429 only as deal of the day. Next, I've got this white and purple colored bed sheet. This has got a beautiful leafy print, and it has got slight stripes with some polka dots, and it looks very soothing. So this is for my mother-in-law. This bed sheet costed me rupees 479, and all the 4 bed sheets I'm sharing today have got a return and exchange policy within 5 days. This is a beautiful blue colored bed cover or bed sheet, however you want to use it. This has got a geometric print. It will look very decent, and it comes with cushions also. So basically, I have got 2 matching cushions. These come with fillers, and then I have got 2 quilted pillow covers. These are in standard size. The front is quilted and the back side is plain. It comes with a chain. So I'll show you the chain as well. So this is the chain. So this is quite good for using on your bed as a bed cover. This bedding set costed me rupees 749, and if you are purchasing it through my link, this is available at a cheaper price. As you can see, the same bedding set is available at a slightly higher cost on Amazon. And this is the second one. I am going to use this as a bed cover as well. This is also blue, and it has got a beautiful floral and bird print. I hope you can see it. This also comes with 2 cushion covers with fillers and 2 pillow covers. These pillow covers are also quilted at front. This bedding set also costed me rupees 849, and this is also available at a cheaper price if you are ordering through my link. As you can see, this same brand is selling this bedding set on Amazon at a slightly higher cost. Okay, so moving on, our next product in the haul is this beautiful wall hook. This is from a brand called Elementary. I really love all the products from Elementary, though their price range is slightly on the higher side, but I love them. So I've got this wall hook. Maybe I'll install it on the entryway, or maybe in the kitchen. I will see if you can hang your bags or grocery bags, anything. It will look very amazing. So this is in grey color. There are various color options available, and it has got a wooden top, so it looks very beautiful, very gorgeous. I'll share a picture as well. And I think I bought this from Myntra or Amazon. I will link it in the description box. So our next purchase is for kitchen. This is a oil bottle. So I saw Ranveer Brar using this oil bottle for keeping mustard oil. So I was really inspired from him and I got this mustard oil bottle. It has got a wooden ढक्कन at the top and it looks very beautiful, very elegant, and I think I'm going to use it in a new kitchen. And this design is also very much in trend these days, and these bottles are available all over the internet. Maybe you can check it on Myntra or Amazon. You will find such bottles everywhere, even in the local markets also. At some markets you can find them. So due to COVID we are not going outside, so I bought this bottle online only, and I will try to share the link in the description box. So the next product is from one of my favorite brand which I recently discovered. Basically this brand is from one of my Instagrammer friend, and she is a beautiful girl and she runs this lovely brand called Bandbox. Their products are available all over the internet on different sites like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, all over. So this is a beautiful wall art which says, if you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. So this is basically embroidered beads art. It looks very elegant, very beautiful. It has got a lovely polka dot print at the back. I'll be sharing a small pic so that you will understand how it will look once you install it on your wall. And this is the back of this wall art, and it comes with a small wall hook so you can easily hang it, and I'm very excited to use it. So the next product in our haul are these cute little jars. So basically we are going to have a small open shelf in our kitchen, and I love decorating open shelves. So I thought, let me grab these tiny jars. They have got a ceramic lid. There is a bird on top, and this is a set of 3 jars. I'm showing you 2 jars. All of them are in the same size. And these jars are not new. They have been around, but I usually found them at a very higher price. But then I suddenly saw them on Myntra at a lower price, so I decided to buy them immediately. So these are 2 tiny jars for my kitchen shelf. Next product in our haul is meant for the entryway, the outer entryway of the flat. So these coir mats are very much in trend these days. If you can check them out on Pinterest, you will see everybody is styling their front doors using these mats. So I have also got one. It says welcome. It is quite good quality mat, and I think it will stay at least for 2 to 3 years. It has got a lovely back and it is quite thick, so I think this is going to last for quite long. And this is again from Myntra, and you can get cheaper versions of this as well, but I think they don't last for long because I bought one from Lajpat Nagar a few years back, but it collapsed after a couple of months. So I think this one will stay for longer duration. So now we have reached to the last section of this video, and as you guys are aware, I'm going to style my home, decorate my home in cottage country style. And cottage country style homes have got a lot of stripes and checks and all those kind of prints. So I wanted a very good classic striped bed sheet for my guest room, because guest room should have a cozy, comfortable bed sheet so that the guest can relax and enjoy during their stay. So I found this lovely cotton bed sheet. This is a very high quality bed sheet. This is a striped bed sheet, and the fabric feels really soft. This is from a new store. They are now selling on Amazon as well. I forgot their name, but I will link it in the description box. And these striped bed sheets comes with 2 pillows. So the front side has got stripes, gray stripes, and the back side is plain. So I'm going to style it with different throw pillows and bed throws and all, so that the bed looks quite comfy, cozy. So hopefully I'll be sharing the guest room makeover this year itself if everything goes as per plan, because a lot of things are lined up, like brick wall makeover. I will be giving a quick makeover to my dining table too. Then I'll be doing the exterior entryway makeover, then interior entryway makeover, then study is there, then guest is there. So there is a lot of content planned up, and if you have not subscribed still, then please do. You are going to miss a lot of interesting content, and I have done everything in a very small budget. So I hope I can inspire, or I can give ideas to people who have been struggling with the budget. I mean, our kitchen is made in such a small budget, and I have designed it, the major part of the kitchen, and I was very skeptical to begin with, but finally the kitchen looks amazing. I could not believe my eyes that this kitchen has been made in such a small budget, and I can't wait to show you. We had a very small budget, and we were working with local carpenters, so it was a big challenge for us. But thankfully everything is turning out to be good, and I can't wait to share it with you. Till then, take care, stay safe, and hopefully I will see you soon. And if you liked today's haul, then please do give us a like, and do share your feedback in the comment section. Take care, bye bye.